Here we have a 1975 Mirage GR8, one of just 2 examples built. The GR8 model took the racing world by storm when the sister car won the 1975 24 Hours of Le Mans, and this car, chassis 802, finished third. Power was provided by an F1-derived Ford Cosworth DFV V8 engine, which provided proven reliability and performance. In 1975, the Mirage team was purchased by noted racing driver and Ferrari dealer Harley Cluxton III. Cluxton would carry on the team's efforts with John Wyer and lead engineer John Horsman. This car would go on to compete at Le Mans 4 additional times, scoring a total of 3 podium finishes. Its notable driver lineups include Derek Bell, Vern Schuppan, Jean-Pierre Jassod, Jacques Lafitte, Sam Posey, and David Hobbs. Beautifully restored to its 1975 specification and raced recently at the Monterey Motorsports Reunion, this incredible Mirage GR8 is ready to thrill its next owner at any of the multitude of exciting events for which it is eligible.